Welcome to Analytics and User Data. To access your course analytics, click the View Course Analytics button on the right sidebar of your home page. Course Analytics has three major components in Canvas. First, activity. Second, assignments. And third, grades. Notice that Canvas uses bar graphs and bold colors to depict actions and events that have taken place in your course. For example, when I go to the activity section, I can see the number of page views for a particular day are indicated by the blue graph. Participations are indicated in orange. The view of my assignments graph for the day indicates that 50% of my submissions for my typography exercise were submitted on time on the 17th, while all of those are missing for my written assignment too. As well, I can use the thin vertical whiskers that comprise the grading bar to know what the lowest score is for my students as well as the highest score. By taking my mouse and holding it just above the whisker, I can also see what the median score is and the highest possible score for that particular activity or event. Another component to the Course Analytics screen is being able to access your students' information and learn more about their details and participation in your course. You'll see just to the right of the student's name, I can see the number of page views, the number of participations, and how well they're doing with assignments. Red will indicate how many assignments are missing, yellow will indicate how many assignments are late, and green indicates how many have been submitted on time. As well, I can see the student's current standing in my course. To learn more about the student and how they are progressing in my course, I want to click on the student's name. By clicking the student's name, I now have an individual view of that student's particular performance and participation in my class. To the right, I can see the number of page views that student took on a particular day. As well, I can use the orange bars to see when they participated on a particular day. Another feature of the student analytics is being able to discern what types of communications have passed between you and the student. I can see that my communications are in blue. If the student had communicated with me, there might be orange markers there as well. In addition, I can use the diamond graph to see how well my student is doing in terms of performance and submissions. Red will indicate no submissions for a particular activity. Green will show me those activities or participations that were done on time. As well, yellow will show me late assignments submitted. Another aspect to this screen, if in looking at the analytics provided, I see a moment to encourage or notify my student of an event coming up, I can use the message function. This would be a wonderful retention tool. In addition, if I'm not quite sure about the things that I'm seeing on the graph and I want to learn more or find more details concerning their actions, you can click on the name of the student. To the right, you can find out more about the user. Not only can you review the analytics report, you can look at their overall grades, you can send them a message, you can view their interactions with you, and you can access a full report of their views. By accessing a report, you can see the number of times the student has participated or come to a particular page, the time that they visited, as well as the date.